Hi, I'm Sarika Benjamin and welcome back to my channel Benji's Home Cooking. Today I bring to you the recipe of prawn toast, a very simple recipe and especially useful when you have a small quantity of prawns and you don't know what to make. This is a recipe that can be used as a starter or a snack. So let's get started. For the prawn toast we need 200 grams of prawns or maybe 15 to 20 pieces of medium-sized prawns. With that we need bread. I have taken 4 slices of bread. You may need a little extra. To grind in the masalas we need chopped coriander. This is washed and cleaned. We have 2 green chilies, 2 dry red chilies, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We have to grind all of this in the blender. We have a teaspoon of soya sauce, about 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, a tablespoon and half of cornflour, egg white from 1 egg, salt to taste, and we will need some oil for frying. Now to begin with, you need to cut the bread into 4 parts. Just make 4 equal squares and leave it aside. I'm going to cut all the slices here. Now in this recipe you may need extra bread. I have started with 4 and we will use as and how we need. So we need not cut extra right in the beginning. If you need extra you can always take a slice or 2 more. Now to make the prawn toast paste we will add all the masalas inside: the green chili, red chili, coriander, garlic, the onions. You just have to grind all the ingredients in one. It's a very easy recipe. It's a quick recipe. Put all the prawns in it. Now I have taken 200 grams of prawns, but you can adjust the quantity. If you don't have prawns, you can replace it with chicken as well, boneless chicken. Then goes the soya sauce, the salt, the egg white, the cornflour, all of it. You just put everything in the blender and this is how the paste looks like. It is a pretty smooth paste. You may want a little bit of chunks here and there if you like. Just grind it into a paste and we will use the bread squares that we have already cut and spread the paste generously and uniformly on all the squares of the bread. We'll apply a generous quantity, maybe a teaspoon or teaspoon and a half on each bread square. Apply it evenly on all sides. Once all of it is applied, we will start frying them. So in this recipe, I have used about 6 slices of bread. Heat the oil on medium hot. It should not be too hot, and once the oil is hot, we will start frying the toast with the prawn side down in the oil. Now prawn is a very tender meat and doesn't take long to cook. If you are using chicken meat instead of prawn, then you will have to fry it a little longer than prawn. Just fry. For prawns you may have to fry it for a minute or minute and a half, and you can see how nice and golden brown they are. Now we'll flip them and fry the other side. Now remember, bread gets fried pretty quickly, so don't leave it unattended or you may just land up burning it. Make sure the flame is on medium low and keep checking on the bread. And once it is nice and brown, we will remove it on a paper towel and drain it of any excess oil. This is a very easy snack, very quick. You can adjust the spices. Now I like more chili, so generally when I make this I add extra green chilies or red chilies for the flavor, but you can feel free to adjust the taste according to what you like. It's a very quick recipe, especially when you have very little quantity of prawns and you know you can't serve many people with that. This is a very good recipe. So please try this recipe. It's very easy, very quick and very tasty as a snack or a starter in any party. I hope you have enjoyed this video and liked it. If you have, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you are updated every time we post a new recipe.